Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want to start with power and permissions. Turn on the controller, then power the drone. This establishes radio handshakes. Once done, enable GPS and grant location access on your phone or tablet so the app can read satellites. Calibrate the compass now, follow the app prompts and rotate the craft slowly. This prevents heading errors. Make sure you are outside with a clear sky for line of sight to satellites, because quality fixes depend on unobstructed reception. You will now link the hardware to the app and confirm telemetry. Open the official app, pick your exact model, and let it sync firmware if needed. Mismatched versions block GPS features. Connect the controller using the recommended method, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB, and confirm the binding LED or app indicator. Next, monitor the GPS readout. Wait for at least 6 satellites and a steady horizontal dilution of precision. That tells you the position is reliable before you arm the motors. You're almost ready. Run the final systems check. Do a motor spin test and a short hover at 1 to 2 meters to ensure stability and correct prop rotation. This catches trim or ESC issues early. Then set return to home altitude and verify the home point registered in the app. These settings protect you in signal loss. If GPS won't lock, reboot the drone, controller, and phone, recalibrate the compass, and relocate to a clearer area. Because interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.